Good morning and welcome back to Praise Elohim Devotionals. Today we are on day 28 of our 30-day devotional journey on our series, Trusting Elohim in Every Season. The topic of today's devotion is When Man Redefines Sin, Trusting Yahuwah's definition, not ours. Our scripture reading is Mark 7, verses 6 and 7. He, meaning Yahusha, he answered and said to them, Where did Isaiah prophesy of you hypocrites, as it is written, These people honors me with their lips, but their heart is far from me, and in vain they worship me, teaching as doctrines the commandments of men. This devotional calls us to examine whether we are following the Word of Yahuah or the traditions of men. Since the beginning, Yahuwah himself has defined what sin is. Scripture is clear. Sin is lawlessness, as we read in 1 John 3 verse 4. Yahuwah's standard has always been his word, unchanging, eternal, and reliable in every season. But throughout history, mankind has created traditions, customs, and religious ideas that compete with or cover over or completely replace what Elohim has spoken. Yahusha confronted this directly. He said, You reject the commandment of Elohim so that you may keep your traditions, as we read in Mark 7. Here, Yahusha was not addressing people outside the religious community. He was speaking to people who thought they were faithfully serving Yahuwah. Now, here is the danger. When we elevate human traditions above Yahuwah's commandments, we slowly, often unknowingly, change the definition of sin. We start determining right and wrong based on culture, or based on habits, or our own comfort, or what feels right, instead of what Elohim has spoken. And when sin is redefined, obedience becomes optional, holiness becomes blurry, and truth becomes negotiable. But trusting Elohim in every season means this. We trust his definition even when it confronts ours. We trust his word even when it clashes with tradition. We trust his word even when the world ignores or mocks them. Just like in the days of the Pharisees, the battle remains the same. Will we follow the word of Yahuwah or the traditions of men? This, brethren, is not a small matter. This is not about preference or style. This is about loyalty, trust, and love for Yahuwah. Every season of life, whether it's calm or chaotic, joyful or difficult, tests our true value. Do we cling to culture or to his word? Do we hold on to familiar traditions or do we hold on to his truth? So the invitation today is simple but is powerful. Examine his word. Let him define right and wrong. Let him tell us what sin is. Let him be the voice we follow. Because trusting Elohim in every season begins with trusting what he has spoken. Thank you for joining me today on day 28 of our devotional journey. May your day be filled with his peace and his presence. Shalom.